The license plate lights on the 2018-2021 Chevy Equinox are located in the upper liftgate, one on each side of the license plate. To begin, open the liftgate. Gently pry off the plastic housing covering the bulb using a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to avoid scratching the paint. Be careful not to apply too much force. If there's an electrical connector, disconnect it. Once the housing is open, unscrew or pull out the old bulb from its socket, which is usually a wedge-based design. Inspect the socket for any signs of corrosion and clean it if necessary to ensure a good connection for the new bulb. Insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it is seated correctly. Note that polarity matters for some LED bulbs. If it doesn't light up after installation, try flipping the bulb 180 degrees. Reattach the plastic housing to the liftgate, making sure it's securely fastened. Test the license plate lights to confirm they are working correctly. If the bulb doesn't work, check the fuse box under the hood for any blown fuses related to the lighting system. Using dielectric grease on the bulb connections can help prevent moisture ingress and corrosion, extending the life of the bulb.